Welcome everyone to Tips and Tricks with Federico. This week I'm bringing you 7 tricks that can help you create eye-catching presentation. And most importantly, those ones that can help you sell your ideas. Most of these tricks I have learned in multiple contests like the Microsoft Imagico, the Cisco Switch Up Challenge, or the Space Up Challenge of NASA. And yes, they help me to accomplish my goals. Because trust me, only a prototype, only a fantastic team, or the best elevator pitch is not enough. In many cases, you need a presentation that can help you and empower you to deliver the right message. So let's start by the tip number 0. Use as few words as possible. Images are more powerful than words. This might sound like a cliche and many people have told you that, but really, I have been in multiple presentations with people with 5, 15, 20 years of experience that the first thing that they do, copy and paste a huge paragraph from Word, Wikipedia, or anything like that, and the people just get completely bored. Just a small reminder, this is something that you should not forget. So let's go finally to the real tips. Trick number 1. Don't use any jargons or sophisticated and technical vocabulary. Believe me, I have been in multiple presentations, and something I have learned through the years is that when you start using those technical words and show those things, many people will not understand you. And only if you know the entire audience, you can consider them. Because in some cases, the key people that you would like to persuade to your idea are the ones who will not understand what you're selling. So trust me, please ignore them, please save them for another time. The next one, use simple and meaningful descriptions. If you want to add a message, a text to your idea, to your presentation, it should be as clear as possible. Don't use completely unknown and odd vocabulary. If you do that, or very strange meanings, let's say this one, people will be lost. But if you show something like this, people will feel calm and they will understand it. People tend to read maximum 200 words per second in average. So imagine you have the first one, oh man, people will be completely lost. The next trick, create innovative bullet points. Most of us were used to it to show the ones that I showed you. But really, we can replace those ones with these ones. That you combine images with a small text and people can catch your idea in a blink of an eye. And if you don't know how to do it or where to start, I can advise you to create a template in draw.io. It's completely free and you will save a lot of time. The next trick, use purposeful charts and images. In many cases, we show a lot of charts of our results or a lot of pictures, but some of them, they might be a little bit lost. That's why choose them carefully, maybe get an additional feedback, and show what really the audience that you're going to present it really needs to know. This will help you empower your idea and make it more easily understood by everyone. The next advice is called use material design colors. You can go to the material palette from Google. Google has spent a lot of hours choosing the right colors that can create your experience beautiful, simple. Because if you use the strong colors like a yellow color, the green color, the red color, the blue color, the black color, people can feel a little bit awkward. And if the person has any disabilities in their eyes, they might not be able to read them properly. Even Google had made you the contrast that if you choose the red color, you need to use white or black. And it shows you everything that you need. The next trick, choose the right icons. If you're going to use some nice icons, where to start? I invite you to go to materialdesignicons.com or the Icon Finder. In these two websites, you can get multiple icons, mostly for free, that can help you create those innovative bullet points that can transform the experience that you're selling. And the last but not least, one trick that might sound a little bit unexpected is called break the fourth wall. In many cases, you need to do something like this. Wear a hat, crack a joke, do something different. Because trust me, I have been in multiple presentations and one has been as significant as no one else in my history. It was 8 years ago. I was in the finals of the first Tuesday's Mobile Challenge. One team broke the rules. They did this. They picked up their phone, delivered it to the judges, and after that, they destroyed the competence. No one was a rival to them because the judges in that moment had the application. They were able to test it, that see what was going on. That change in the rules create a completely different story. And trust me, that's something that you need to consider. In some cases, you will need to crack a joke and the people will catch your attention. And as a bonus, I'm bringing you one last trick that I have learned in the last months. I have attended to multiple presentations through Zoom, and people are constantly changing from the presentations view to the designer view, and after that they stay in the designer view. This doesn't look professional. Please, if you do that, come back to the presenter's view or only stay in the presenter's view. When you're going to deliver a right presentation in front of a large audience, in front of your manager, in front of your professors, in front of anyone, you really need to have the presenter's view. You will not have someone will press escape or you will press escape, because that creates an uncomfortable experience for everyone. And these are my tips for this week. If you have another one, something that can empower more people to create eye-catching presentations, I invite you to share it in the comments, because we need to create more eye-catching presentations and create a better world for everyone. See you the next time. Bye.